Hershey, and I'm from the United States, the state of Georgia. And I came to Hyderabad for dental work at the FMS Dental. I actually had been here 5 years ago at a different provider, and this practice is so much superior than what I received at the last place I went to. The technology in this practice is just unbelievable. The very latest. I received the best treatment I've ever received. The folks, the employees, the dentists are all so friendly and so helpful. Dr. Kava, she must have worked hours and hours removing some of my old dental work. Very patient, very caring, very understanding. Dr. Paul, Dr. PB, the Dr. Reddies, they all were just absolutely terrific. I can't say enough good about their treatment. And like I said before, the technology is wonderful. The facility is beyond belief. The relaxation lounges are just absolutely wonderful. I'm sitting in right now. They've got a massage chair. It's just absolutely wonderful. Hyderabad itself is very interesting. There's a lot you can do to sightsee. And my contact, Dr. Rohini, she arranged for several tours for me and my wife. And we stayed at the Dispala Hotel, which is just a short walk away. So you can easily walk to and from the clinic without any issues at all. I felt very safe at all times. I'm just overwhelmed with joy, and my teeth, they're just so good. I really love them. And I love FMS Dental.
Thank you.